एंड वेलकम वंस अगेन। सो आज हम मौजूद हैं वंस अगेन इन नेशनल साइंस सेंटर कोलालमपुर मलेशिया। सो ये क्लोज था रीवैम्प होने के लिए, सो दे रीवैम्प्ड इट। सो आज हम वापस आए हैं देखने के लिए क्या क्या जितनी चीज़ें ऐड हुई हैं। सो लेट्स गो एंड हैव अ लुक। As you walk towards the main entrance of the National Science Centre Malaysia, तो इसमें आउटर्स में कुछ चेंज नहीं है, सम लाइटिंग एंट्रेंस है। ओह यस, इसका एंट्रेंस भी उन्होंने चेंज कर दिया है। So before is a manual entry, now you have to buy the tickets. That is several kiosks there. You can queue up yourself and you can buy a ticket by yourself. What I want to add is the kids and everything as well. So there are activities as well. You can buy from tickets of inside activity on the start from here. So as you walk into the entrance, you have to just scan a QR code and walk in straight away. As usual, the amazing, beautiful aquarium will welcome you. A lot of fishes there. It's a beautiful to set up your mood to walk in there. So it's एक ज़बरदस्त डिफरेंट किस्म का लुक आता है आपके पास, और ये आपका एक मूड बना देता है कि walk in there, something happening, really fantastic, really fun loving in upcoming. So this beautiful एक जो entrance इनकी है, that is unbeatable. उसके बाद हमारा फर्स्ट सेक्शन जो था वो था फिज़िक्स, साइंस एंड इसके एक्सपीरियंसेस। जैसे कि यू कैन सी राइट नाउ, यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस विद द स्विवल्स, विद द हैंडल, विद द थिंग्स। सो आप साइंस को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं, हाउ डज इट वर्क ऑन अ बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी। सो आप इसमें एक्सपीरियंस आपको मिलता है कि हाउ दिस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वर्क, साउंड वर्क, हाउ दे ट्रैवल, एंड उसके साथ साथ जो एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं विद द टच एंड फील ऑफ साइंस, सो दैट यू कैन imagine here in the science, physics and chemistry and other things. So इसमें यहाँ पर लाइट कैसे जनरेट होती है, उसके साथ जो है उसके जो फाउंडर्स थे या डिस्कवरर्स थे उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन भी दी गई है. इज़ नॉट एज जस्ट इंट्रैक्शन विद द साइंस, इज़ द नॉलेज दैट हाउ डज इट वर्क, एंड उसके साथ साथ हु discovered them. So means they all in a one package, you will find everything there. So main thing I got with my son is like we went to the a place where you can feel the how a thunderstorm or how what's it called, that the tornadoes does it feel like when you're standing in there. It's a very good attraction. I never feel this before, and my son was so excited to jump in there and we get it. So उसके बाद mercury lights, उसके बाद दूसरी lights थी, how they travel, how the sound travel. You can see the mercury going up at the moment. So energy कैसे काम करती है, travel कैसे करती है. उसके बाद we walk into the next section जो उसके बाद आया, that is the plant based, how this our sea level is raising, why is it raising, reasons behind it, and why, how does it, this mangrove trees of Malaysia are most important, and उसकी जो चीज़ें, other things के benefits के हैं, what we humans are doing wrong in terms of like for the destroying the environmental things as well. So उसके बारे में पूरी वीडियोस बताई गई हैं, चीज़ें बताई गई हैं, lot of information, lot of things. इंटरेक्टिव होने के साथ साथ एक मोर इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाता है आपके लिए, फैमिली के लिए, किड्स के लिए. lot of good information is there. So उसके बाद जो है सुनामी कैसे काम करता है, सुनामी कैसे आता है, कैसे हलचल बनती है. These are the demonstration they have to give to you right in front of you. You feel it, how does it work. The next section is the biology. So it's all about the bacteria, human body, DNA, how does your heart work, your lungs work, what the DNA look like, what the bacteria look like, and what part of body have what kind of bacteria, and how we can prevent them. So this is all information that you get there. So it's nice interactive. You can scan your arms and they tell you, okay, what kind of bacteria can be in your hands, and their information next to it. So that is one of the best thing I can see, and kids which should understand that. With that energy physics के साथ sound travel and all that, so how the bonds and the nucleus and all this, all the information written there. So उसके साथ साथ आपके जब आगे move on करते हैं तो how this तो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट रिसाइकलिंग है. हम रिसाइकलिंग के साथ क्या क्या चीज़ें बना सकते हैं, प्लास्टिक के साथ क्या क्या रीइवेंट करके क्या चीज़ें बन रही हैं और क्या बना सकते हैं. उसके साथ साथ यू इंटरेक्ट योरसेल्फ विद डिफरेंट कार. इट्स अ फन गेम्स, so you can push yourself to interact that, and people are looking at you and you have to push yourself to get the experience. You can see the kids are just enjoying this solar light. As light goes that one, it moves. The next experience was like after this one, it is there, and then it's like a blast there at the end of the time. So this is, you have to create by yourself. It's a beautiful, interactive, it's science museum, and it's a fun, it's all about the interaction with the science and the the fun with a fun way. That's very good, and it was like amazingly beautifully experienced. And look at it, how energy can generate and consume. So you can remove this swivel, the energy generates and energy come to your light, so you can use this one. The kids will interact this with this one, and they have a concept clear what energy coming, and I can turn off and turn on. How does it work? The energy flows, that is energy flow, generation of energy flows, how to utilize that. This is all about interaction in this museum. And then after you enter in the middle of the museum, they have like a kids fun area, stages, programs are going on, the people are on the mic, they're talking, they have interactive games are going on, people are sitting and enjoying the games, while kids are playing there. So me and my while I went upstairs, so we just have a good interaction. This is a new entrance in this new thing they enter in this Science Negara. So about the sun, light, earth, and other things that is very interactive. 3D, for example, like you will feel like when you're standing somewhere, the graphics are 3D as you're moving, things like that. So you can just right now you can see as well. So this is one of the things. So as we move on, inside is a nice beautiful layout they made it, and it's a beautiful color. They have a nice interactive slides for the kids when they touch on something that's like a bubbles or like what's it called, that a sound. So that's a beautifully is imagined that, and you can see that is amazingly for the kids experience. This is a new addition in the Pusat Sains Negara. Last year when I visit किया था इसमें शामिल नहीं थी. So they're beautifully integrated 3D artifacts and all that. That is feeling you amazing. So आप इसमें interact कर सकते हैं. A lot of sea creature, lot of information they given to you, and you can see and feel like you're next to it. So it's a beautiful thing. एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने इसके साथ और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ आप चीज़ें जो हैं आपको सीखते हैं, करते हैं, और बच्चे विल इंटरेक्ट विद इट. सो किड्स आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है. दैन उसके बाद AI का नया सेशन ऐड हुआ है. इसमें आप यू कैन एंजॉय दी सम गेम्स एज वेल इन द AI. So, इसके साथ साथ 2-3 सेक्शंस और ऐड किए हैं जिसमें किड्स कैन क्लाइम द वॉल्स एंड एवरीथिंग एज वेल. So this is the most interactive areas they have added, and it's a quite long section as well. So we have sometimes you have to change the game, so you have to queue up. So you have to wait for the next your turn to start on the game. So meanwhile, you can just have kids on your wall climbing and all that. It's more interactive. So move on to next. This is the resonance, energy, sound travel. How to sound travel from here. So you can they will let you experience that. So how does it work? And radiation. The next is radiation, the sounds, radiation, and all that. How we do X-rays. How actually X-ray works, and what you can see as a human body while you're doing X-rays and radiology. So this is उसके बारे में बताया गया है. Then your next section is with the Think and George, the garage. So this is like आप जाते हैं, you can use your small little tools, use the pen and paper, use your cardboard box, and you can design the new different level of things. So that's up to you, and they will teach you how to do it and how does it work. So for the kids के लिए explore करना, it's just amazing and beautiful place to do it. So that is what I interact with it. This is like little games. You can touch base, you can touch the lights and everything. Interactive आपके साथ है how the science work, beautifully compiled. So when you're walking in the corridors, it's not just empty. These are the same games are in the corridors, and you can walking by and enjoy the games. This is full of fun. you downstairs, upstairs, walking in corridors, go inside the sections, and this is amazingly fully equipped, you can call it, and this is a full time of fun. साइंस सेक्शन के साथ 3D सेक्शन और आर्टिफैक्ट के साथ साथ यहाँ पर ब्यूटीफुली एक छोटा सेक्शन बनाया गया है जिसमें आप डिफरेंट के चीज़ों का एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, ठीक है। इसमें विद किड्स के लिए स्पेसिफिकली इट्स ब्यूटीफुल थिंग दैट दे कैन यूज़ योर हैंड रन दिस मशीन एंड मशीन एक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली। सो एक पूरे से बॉल्स ट्रैवल करते हैं इसके अंदर, एंड उसके साथ डिफरेंट सेक्शन के अंदर किड्स कैन प्ले एरिया, प्ले ग्राउंड टाइप एरिया भी बनाया गया है, और it's like through the science they teach them very well. So at last section, when you're coming out, they're telling you the modern technologies, what are the upcoming technologies as per science. So इसमें AI, इसमें VR, virtual reality के बारे में है, virtual surgery next जो कि after 10 years 15 years will be very common हो जाएगी, very normal हो जाएगी. So this they are experienced right now. So they are giving experience to people to how does it look like. So उसके साथ साथ how the future of any city look like, how the modern cities will look like in future, उसके बारे में सारा all they have portrayed, they have new section they made it, just beautifully design किया गया है, ये display किया गया है, वो इस चीज़ के बारे में बताया गया है। अगर आप इसके बारे में थक गए हैं so you can go out, just have some eat here, you can have beautiful things to eat. So ये था आज का हमारा visit to नेशनल साइंस म्यूज़ियम, और इसके साथ ही प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, एंड वी विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Till that time, take care.